Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss a previous year question of CSIR NET 2025. This is a question of harmonic oscillator that says the energy eigenstates of a one-dimensional harmonic oscillator are denoted by I, where I can be any states 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. If the momentum operator P satisfies this, then the value of n is what? So we know that momentum operator in harmonic oscillator can be written as minus I root under m h cut omega by 2 a minus a dragon, where these are ladder operator, and when a acts on any state n, that will give root over n minus 1, and when a dragon acts on n, that will give root under n plus 1 and state n plus 1. Okay, now let's calculate this. So given that n plus 1 p n by root 2 p cap 1 equals to root 2. Upon calculating this and upon simplifying this, we can get the value of n. Okay. Now put the value of p here. So it will be minus I root under m h cut omega by 2 n plus 1 a minus a dagger acts on n. Similarly, minus I root under m h cut omega by 2 to a minus a dagger state upon 1 equals to root 2. Now calculate this. This will cancel out and n plus 1. So when a acts on this, it will give n minus 1 minus root over n plus 1 okay, by 2 a acts on this will give 1 root 1, that is 1, and state 0, minus when a dagger acts on 1, that will give root 2 state root 2. Okay, this is equals to root 2. Now calculate it. So n plus 1 and n minus 1, this will give 0, only this term will act on it. So it will give n plus 1, bra n plus 1 and get n plus 1, that will give minus root over n plus 1, and this will give minus root 2, it is root 2. Now root over n plus 1 equals to root 2. So n plus 1 will be 4 and n will be 3. And our question is, what is the value of n? So the value of n will be 3. That is option D. So our correct option is option D. Thank you.